All right, we have a very exciting company here that I'm sure you've already heard about, Twilio, and I'm here with Jon to fill you in on what they're about. How's it going, Jon?
Pretty well. So Twilio is a cloud communications platform. That means that we provide tools that make it really easy for developers to send and receive text messages and make and receive phone calls from their web or native mobile application. So for example, if you want to build a SMS notification service that lets people know when their restaurant reservation is ready, or maybe you want to design a phone number that people can call into to hear music by their favorite band, Hall & Oates, right? That was a popular one a while back. Yeah.
And I know you have a pretty impressive client list of clients that you already work with. Can you name a few?
Yeah, so today we're actually here with two startups, Amicus and Found It. Amicus is a social fundraising company, and Found It is a sort of lost and found service. You buy tags from them that you can put on all of your items, like your camera or your microphone or whatever, and when you lose it, it gives the finder an anonymous number that they can text to or sort of call to return the item to you. And you may not have heard of those, even though they are very awesome companies, but we have some bigger clients like eBay who's using it, and Intuit who's using it for two-factor authentication to really secure your accounts and make sure that you are the person you say you are.
So let's say I'm a company and I'm interested in this type of service. How would I go about it? I would just go to you and say, I'm looking to incorporate some kind of voice recognition system. Where do you guys take it from there?
So we provide the platform. If you're a developer or a company, you would just go to our website and sign up, and that's essentially all you need to do. From then you can buy phone numbers, you can set up applications, and really you have full control over the whole process of what goes on when someone calls or texts you.
So since the development of the program is obviously not something that your average person is going to be able to do, how easy is it for me as the company to go in and change it and say, I don't really like the recording that's on there right now, I want to put a different message on there? How would I go about that?
Well, some people do develop very complex applications on top of Twilio, but it is essentially a very simple system. We've had product managers or non-technical employees at companies implement their first prototypes with Twilio without any help from their engineering teams, so it is accessible.
And where does this name come from, Twilio?
I honestly don't know. That's a good question.
Yeah. And if people want to learn more, where can they go?
They can go to twilio.com.